Assalamu alaikum everyone, we are Fin Squad Consultants and we are back with another lecture of Learn Excel. Today is lecture number 7 and we are going to discuss format as table and styles today. Let me go to this and Excel data bars. Now, let me clear this for you. Before moving to format as table and styles, let me tell you that in previous lectures we have discussed clipboard, font, alignment, number, and conditional formatting. I hope those lectures are really fruitful for you. Now I'm going to start with the format as table. I'm going to select these cells and I'm going to click the format as table. It will show different tables from light, medium, dark. There are two more options here, new table styles and new pivot styles. These are for the advanced Excel. I'm going to teach you them in the later lecture. Don't worry about it. But for now, we're in the basic Excel, so let me start with it. For example, if I select this one, I will give you this table in which you can select the cells. For example, it is from B4 to E14. You see, these are all formatted in this table. You can change it to this one. Once you have selected the table, you can drag to any option here and you can select them. Now, there's one more thing. Once you have selected your format for table, you see this design in this row is highlighted. Once you click it, it will give you same options for the design. But there's nothing new to that. You can select any option from it. So this is more or less format as table. Now I will clear these and I'll move to styles. Sorry, let me clear these filters. All right. Now, these are the styles. If I select this row, you see, if I bring my arrow to bad, neutral, good, or normal, you see, these styles have been placed onto this row. Now, if I click this option to drag them, you see there are so many styles. They're basically the styles already inputted in Excel 2019. They are also put in all of the Excels. 2019 has few more options which can be made by yourself too, which I'm going to teach you in this lecture. First of all, you need to know that the calculation, check cell, you can select any option given here. Now, I'm going to teach you about these options, headings. These are very important for academic lectures because these headings will differentiate between different headings you're going to choose. For example, if I select this conditional formatting and I select this heading 1, it will change the conditional formatting into this heading. All right. Now, for example, if I select these and I want to make it different from the above heading, I will select any of them I want. You see, for example, if I choose heading number 4, and I can also do this, you can, once you have selected a heading, you can choose any of these colors given here. All right, for example, if I select this one, and this is now heading number 3 for you. Now I'm going to show you one more thing. I'll come to this lecture, I will select it, I will give it the same accent 6 for heading number 3. Now what will happen is I will have more options. If I right click it, it will give me these options: apply, modify, duplicate, delete, add gallery to quick access toolbar. If I select the modify option, I can modify it. For example, if I click this format button, you can horizontally center it, You can change the font to anyone you want to. For example, this is a different font, this one, and if I want to fill it with different color, for example, for green, I will select an orange one. Now I'll click OK and OK, and I will select this. You see, this has changed auto, and this option is here till you change it back. Now if I go back to this annexure, you see this option is applied to this row too. All right, now I'm going to tell you one more thing. If I select this, I'll click this down arrow button, I'll go to new cell styles. I can make this my own style. For example, if I go to the fonts, if I change the font to Algerian 10 and I give it a color this orangish, and now I go to this option, it's the new cell style. This is a lecture 7, I'll give it lecture 7 style name. I'll click OK. Now you'll see this style option is present here, so you can customize your own style as per your own needs. You see, if I select these rows and I'll drag it down, as simple as that. So this is format as stable and styles lecture. I hope this lecture is very fruitful for you, and if you like this lecture, if you're liking our page, kindly like, subscribe and share our page. Thank you so much.